Have you ever wondered how to fly to Zion National Park? Well, buckle up as we embark on a journey to decode the best routes, tips, and strategies to get you to one of America's most beloved national treasures. Picture this: red, rocky cliffs kissed by the sun, a vast expanse of wilderness teeming with life, and the thrill of adventure that waits at every turn. That's Zion National Park for you, a distinctly American gem that captures the heart and soul of the Wild West. Step 1 in this journey is to book a flight. Now you might be wondering, does Zion National Park have an airport? Well, not exactly. The nearest airports are McCarran International Airport in Las Vegas, Nevada, and Salt Lake City International Airport in Utah. Both of these airports offer regular flights from major American cities and international destinations. Once your flight is sorted, Step 2 takes us to the ground. From both airports, you can either rent a car or take a shuttle service to reach the park. The drive from Las Vegas to Zion National Park is approximately 270 miles, while from Salt Lake City, it's around 300 miles. Both routes offer scenic drives that will whet your appetite for the natural beauty that awaits at your destination. Step 3, and perhaps the most important step, is planning your visit. Zion National Park is open year-round, but the best time to visit depends on what you're looking to experience. If you're a fan of warm weather and vibrant colors, consider a trip in the spring or fall. For those who love a snowy landscape, winter at Zion is a sight to behold. So, to recap, flying to Zion National Park involves 3 key steps. First, book a flight to either McCarran International Airport or Salt Lake City International Airport. Then, secure ground transportation to make the drive to the park. Finally, plan your visit around the time of year that best suits your adventure preferences. Remember, the journey to Zion National Park is as much a part of the adventure as the park itself. So, embrace the travel, soak in the sights, and prepare for an experience that will leave you with a lifetime of memories. Now, go forth and explore the wonders of Zion National Park. Safe travels!